Well, the wife's having some garage door issues this morning for the riding arena, so because I installed it, it's all my fault. So we're gonna go see if we can get it fixed up for her so she can get in. We'll see what happens. Alright, so here's the inside of the garage door. And what's happening is there's that cable up there, and it's catching on the door and stopping the door from being able to open. So I think I'm gonna go up. I gotta check that wheel up there somewhere and see if I can shift it over that way a bit just so the cable stops catching. So stay tuned for another video where I go over why you should not put windows above your garage doors on your riding arena, because that was a really dumb decision and we had to custom make all that stuff up there. So I'm gonna get the big ladder set up and we're gonna go up and take a peek and see what it looks like. Well, that ladder's not even going to be big enough. So I gotta come up with an alternative plan and see if I can get myself an extra few feet. Let's see if I can come up with a game plan here. Well, this is not the safest methodology, but at least if I fall off, it'll be a good video. So let's see if I can get up high enough to even look at that frickin' thing. I guess I gotta buy a bigger ladder next time. Well, let's see if I can do this without dying. Alright, well, as you saw, I can't even reach up to the very, very top, so I'm going to have to rent the Skyjack again from the local store, and we'll see if I can fix it up properly. So I'm going to climb up there and I'll show you what I'm going to do. I got to jimmy rig it for now, and hopefully that'll give me another week of time, and then we'll get up there and get her all fixed up, and hopefully she stays right where she's supposed to this time. So let's go see what we can do. Okay, so if you look up there, that hinge is kind of moved out this way, which I think has moved that wheel funny. So I really got to get the Skyjack in. We're going to have to get this all fixed up proper. So this is all custom made because your springs should be right here basically at the top of this and go all the way across over there. But my genius engineering, I put a big window right above the door, and nobody thought to mention to me when I did it that, hey, if you're going to have a garage door here, you have to have your springs and stuff. So I had to get longer cables made and custom make all the bracing and brackets up yonder for it, and custom drill the holes and weld it all. And so it was a real cluster when I figured that out, and it was of course the middle of January or February, so I can't fix that today. But what I can do for now is we're going to install that jimmy rig, and hopefully I can keep the cable out this way towards the metal, and keep it from catching on the door. So what's happening is, as the door comes up, and it comes up and around this corner of the track, the cable's popping backwards, and you can see where it's been catching right here on the door. I'm kind of pulling it apart there. So it's an expensive fix if I ruin that panel. So we're going to install my jimmy rig here. We're going to see if we can fix her up for now and then go from there. So let's see what we can do here. Okay. Okay, so when you look real close up there, right there, we got that Jimmy rig installed, so let's go open the door and we'll see if it works or not. And then we'll have to get the Skyjack on order and try and get that all fixed up properly, because that's not right up top.